FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is used to transfer files from one system to another system. It means we can transfer file from a client to server as well as server to client. Okay, to transfer file from one system to another system, we use the protocol FTP. It is File Transfer Protocol. And to configure a FTP, we have to check first the FTP software is installed or not. For that, go to su root shadow. Okay, now we have to check the FTP software is installed or not. For that, type the command rpm -q FTP. Okay, now you can see the FTP is already installed in the system. If FTP software is not installed in the system, just go to internet and download the package, FTP package. Here you can see the all FTP package I have already downloaded. It is VeriSafe FTP VS FTP. This is the package of FTP protocol, FTP software, and just double click to install. Select and install. Click install for installing FTP software. I have already installed, so I don't want to install again. Next step is FTP software is installed. Next step is we have to disable the firewall, because sometimes the firewall may be disabled. FTP may be disabled by the firewall. So go to System, Administration, Firewall, and password. Now here you can see the firewall is already disabled. If it is enabled, just click the disable button and click apply button. Yes. Okay, this is the way of disabling a firewall. Next, along with firewall, we have to also disable Secured Enable Linux Manager, SC Linux. Okay, for taking SC Linux, go to Administration, SC Linux Management. Here click disabled. Okay, now click close button. This thing we have to do before doing a firewall or any other configuration, because sometimes the firewall may be enabled by that protocol, so that we have to disable firewall first. Next step is go to configuration file va/et/etc vsftpd/vsftpd.conf. This is the configuration file for configuring FTP protocol, and here we have to set anonymous enable yes, local enable yes, writable yes, and sometimes it may be commented, so uncomment all these things. Okay, then only we can do this configuration. Okay, we can also specify the user who have the permission to access FTP, like in chroot file, chroot list. See, this is the list of containing the list of users who have permission to use FTP. If you want to set that, just uncomment chroot and give the list of username in the chroot list. Like all these things we have to enable: service name, user list enable, TCP reference, etc. Now let's just save and exit the file. Now next is service vsftpd restart. Service vsftpd restart. Now you can see the FTP has been started. Now After restarting the service in the server system, next go to client. Let us go to the client system. This is one client system. We can access the server from any client at a time. Just open a terminal. Now type FTP space server IP address. This is IP address of the server. Now give username and password. Now you can see login successful message. Now we can see the list of files in the server by ls command. These are the files listed in the server system. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just go to client system. This is the client system's user ls. See, this is the list of files in the client system, and we have to get a file from the server. To get a file from the or access a file from the server system, see any one of the files in the server. See here, so many files are there. You can select any one of the file. Here I have choose ggg.cpp. That file is not in the client system. See, this is not in the client system. Now type get command ggg.cpp. Now you can see ggg.cpp has been transferred from client server to client. Now just click ls command. Just type ls command in the server system. You can see ggg.cpp has reached in the client system. And similarly, we can send a file from client to server. See, these are the files available in the client system, and I want to send any one of the file. For example, I want to send issue.net or quick.cpp. That quick.cpp is not listed in the server system. First check the quick.cpp is already in the server system. It is not in the server system. So just type put command. Put quick.cpp. Now you can see transfer complete message. That means this file from the client to the server. Now just type ls command. Now you can see that quick.cpp is reached here in the server system. Okay, this is all about FTP, and FTP is used for transferring file from server to client and client to server. Okay, thank you.